Morning.
Morning.
It's our first morning here.
And it's chilly.
It's a bit chilly, but we're heading for breakfast now.
Yeah.
So
Mickey pancakes.
let's go and
Now
explore.
waffle.
Mickey waffles.
See you in a minute.
Come on then, guys. Let's go.
The plate, but yeah.
Spin the thing in it then.
I'll get a picture with you.
Hey, Goofy. Hey, Goofy.
Even colder.
It's nice and sunny, but a bit chilly at the moment. Let's hope it warms up.
Blue sky.
That's obviously where you do the marshmallows here.
Oh, yeah, marshmallows.
That's where you toast them.
Just to stand on one of them.
What's then you get kicked out.
See what time it's on later, see if we're here for it.
Yeah.
What's that blue sky here?
Yeah, it's lovely.
There's plenty of blue and blue.
Yeah.
That person's got a bunch of bugs.
What?
That person's got a lot of bugs.
Yeah. There's the main pool over there. And here's the food court.
Remember the laundry?
You could stand under that big pop there, couldn't you, and have a picture?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Remember what? Right, breakfast is here. We all got kids' meals to save on costs. I got Mickey waffles and potato barrels. Darcy got Mickey waffles, potato barrels and sausage. Jensen's got Mickey waffles, bacon and sausage. Orlando's got pancakes and sausage. And Daddy's got Mickey waffles, sausage and potato barrels.
That's cool.
Yeah?
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Bon appetit.
Enjoy. With Jensen and Darcy, you're going to get some pressed pennies.
Oh, sure. I'll do them then. Okay, let's open it in.
And then
Ooh, ew.
Here we go. Hold on tight.
I next.
getting lightning.
Lightning. Oh, it's a penny. Let's go next. Oh, you got switched.
Quick.
My turn.
Over there.
Look, come on.
I think 24.
Go.
It's nice and warm. I got shiny.
Oh, that's really
Funny, you're getting mini. Yeah? Yeah? Put it through there.
I might put.
might want to hold it on the way back to the room.
I got my finger.
Okay? Now which one you're having? Mini?
Pretty good.
There it goes. It's in there, Dos.
Come through already?
Yeah.
That was quick.
Good.
Ready?
Vinny.
Yeah?
Lovely.
Right.
There you want to do that?
Getting another one.
Doing more.
I don't know.
I didn't realise we were doing this one.
What are you getting now? Pop.
It's Pop 2024.
I get it now, have a look.
It's Pop Social Sun. Do
Ah.
I get it too?
Oh yeah, it was lightning, wasn't it?
I put this one in.
Cool.
Who gets that? I'm buying this one.
Isn't it $1 for a penny? Disney are not there. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Is that all of them? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty good. There's a minibus.
Hi.
Morning.
Hi. What's Darcy not linking?
You're hiding.
Hello. Where are we heading to now? Premium outlets at Vineland Avenue. We're just planning to go to the character warehouse, see if they've got any bargains for us at the start of our trip.
Caribbean Beach.
I know what these three are doing. Playing a game, I think. You might be able to spot Bonnet Creek.
Yeah, that's true.
Tomorrow we are moving to Bonnet Creek Resort. Here's the Skyliners.
More Skyliners. That's one resort we've never driven into.
No. Planning to go to Riviera later for dinner. Gonna go on the Skyliner.
There's another minibus dancing.
So up here I think it's the entrance to Bonnet Creek,
Yeah,
isn't
it is.
it?
It's up at the lights, isn't it?
Yeah, look,
here
next
it is.
right, Bonnet Creek Resort. So tomorrow we'll be coming here.
Not far, is it?
No, gonna move on. And the good thing is we're still on Disney property. But that's Bonnet Creek, guys. That's where we're gonna go tomorrow.
Guys, look on the right. Where to go?
Too low.
Just arriving at the premium outlets.
Let's try that we get a parking space.
I think we will. It's not pretty early, really. I think I can see spaces. They don't look like the cars are all stuck together.
Really? Maybe it's better to arrive a little bit later. After the mad rush.
Yeah.
What are we?
I'm gonna go that way.
That way, yeah.
What is that thing?
Yeah, that's okay. It's better.
I don't think it's that packed out.
Probably valet.
Probably what?
Valet.
Yeah, you gotta pay for them all.
You know what it is.
Right.
Some of them are.
Yeah.
Waiting yellow. How much is a lightning lane? Maybe.
Come to the character warehouse. And there's a queue.
Crazy.
We don't normally queue up.
Busy inside. First time ever to queue.
What?
First time ever.
Look! Dad, look!
Yeah. We made it.
Finally got in.
It's a miracle.
Gonna get in some of these for $9.99.
What?
Do you want to do both?
$15.
There are many ones.
I love the blue Mickey shoes.
Yeah.
They're cute.
Cool.
$9.99.
yeah.
Dad, this is $9.99. Well, look at these cups.
That's
Oh,
lovely,
yeah.
isn't it? Look at that for a picture.
Postcards. Trays.
This is quite nice, isn't it? Look at the little mini.
Picnic blanket.
Oh, is it?
$20. Candles. You like your candles?
Oh,
I can't look at things because I've got one hand.
that's
Got
a joke.
plastic
Gosh,
plates.
that weighs a ton. Really heavy, that.
Wow. $25.
Really heavy. Not very good for flying. Okay, these skirts.
$15. That's not
That's good,
bad.
isn't it?
It's big though. We won't get that bad.
Yeah, it is big.
That's 15 too.
Is
That's
it?
15 too, that's a nice.
$9.99.
Yeah, it doesn't seem too bad, does it?
Christmas things up in there.
What we got here? Oh yeah, Christmas stuff.
Those are the ones that we got last night.
Cute.
Singing over there.
Someone's having a party.
Blankets,
Kids
cushions.
and fruits. Star Wars. Very nice stuff.
Big boy's gone anyway. Oh, he's over there.
He's got
Do we have to stay together?
No, you can go
No,
off on your
you
own.
don't have to stay together. Just don't go without
It comes
us.
with a little spoon.
Oh, that's cute.
$7.99. That's
Not
That's
bad.
not bad, is it? Ratty. Remy. These are good.
Ham at the front.
Kermit.
$15.
I'm not 15. Not one hand. Yeah, it's just dirty glasses.
Yeah, thought it was dark. Look.
I know those.
I don't want to. Shower curtain.
How much were these? Because they don't,
Where are you going?
it's not their original stickers.
There it is.
Oh, really? Don't know. Is that what I think it is?
$7.99.
Wow, that is good. But that gent's on the Grand Floridian. Oh, fine. How much for grandma?
How much is it?
$4.99. That's good, isn't it?
Not bad.
$12.99.
I got Dad there.
Yeah, that. I got Star Wars. These are good for $5.
Yeah.
Wow.
My
that's
new
nice.
mug.
Yeah, I haven't one of them.
I got a mom.
I got one. Is this abuela?
Well, it could be mom, but
Could be.
nobody calls me that, so I don't like it.
No. Abuela. I don't know what that is. The
Should I
same.
get a grandma? I think it's a good present.
Yeah, they're nice. They're not
$4.99.
Not bad. They got whips all around.
Yeah.
Those are good. No discounted price on it. $7.35. Aren't they?
Oh, they're really cute. I like that.
They are cute.
They're a bit expensive, but they're cute.
Yes, I can almost do that.
99 cents. That's good. I don't know what these are, but they're 99 cents. I'm guessing it's like a little plate or
Trinket
something.
tray. Oh no, you know what that is.
What?
It's for so you can hold when you're eating and drinking, like a little plate.
Oh, okay.
Hold it with your thumb.
Yeah.
I don't know how you eat with your other hand, so that's like
Yeah.
a little
Just
holding
to hold
thing.
it.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Yeah.
The thumb thing. Only good.
Won't
Still
really
here,
use it,
2022.
but Just want to look over that bit. I haven't done that bit before we come over here.
That's a nice one. I'm $90 please. It's a
Cute. What, purple?
maybe not.
No what? How much? $90.
They're really nice.
Yeah.
Amazing in here, isn't it?
Is that all the stuff you found?
See, these are the big R2s. They
Yeah.
have gold pieces.
These are like extras, are they?
Well, on the droid, you put these pieces on, but these ones are cool because they're gold.
Okay. Good.
What do you think?
Dad, go see.
What's it say?
Looks like me.
Plush. Yeah, it does look like mini. $7.79. Good. Right, do you want to get one? Mind you, I'm in. And flies for $25. Come past a minute.
Sit.
Coming up. Right on it.
Sit.
Good idea.
We said we wanted to do this, didn't we?
Look, it's doing it.
I can't see anything. Now you can see. Bend down, Daddy. You can see it. Bend down. Wants to see.
This is great. You filming it.
I know.
Filming that. And you filming her, filming that.
Yeah.
I mean, do we need it in triplicate? Never known it. It's not bad for $7.99 though, is it? You paid that at home for a regular one.
Sure, it doesn't it? Still going? Takes quite a long time. Oh, it's coming down again now. See, it's done it now.
Coming down.
Yeah.
Can I get it?
Let Dodo get it because he hasn't got a camera to hold.
There's a ring in there.
What happens? Drop.
Exciting.
There you go.
There you go. And a ring.
The ring.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
To the front.
You can always blur it.
Yeah.
Good? Get somewhere to put it.
Okay, so we've just been to the Disney outlet and we're just going to show you what we got. We'll start over here. Jensen, come and tell me what these are. Droid.
These are for my droid I'm gonna make. These are pieces for the droid to go on, and I got gold pieces.
Yeah.
And they're $4.99.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a serving tray. It has drinks. Like it's like the blue and green milk.
Yeah.
See? And it has like a holder. And drinks. Yeah, only $4.99. It used to be $7.
$4.99 both of them. That was
And then
good.
I also got this little
You got a pin.
$4.99. It's like a little
$4.99.
bag so you can hold it.
Okay. Cool.
That's the one.
And then we got this Castaway key cup because it was like $1.99. So bargain. We got this ornament decoration.
It's a bit heavy for the tree.
$7.99.
Is it for
Is
the
it
tree?
$7.99?
It's a bit heavy.
Got loungefly mini ears which match the bag that I've got, the loungefly bag, and they were $9.99. We've seen on other people's vlogs this bag for $25, and they still got some, so we managed to get one of these. But we did see it yesterday in the Pop Century shop up at $90. Yeah. So they've got quite a lot at the outlet, so you can get one for $25. Darcy got this doggy.
Mini.
It's like our dog Mini. This was what, $7?
$7.14.
$7.14.
Well, of course it has a tail.
What's it say in the bag? It came in a bag, didn't it? Where's the bag?
So Disney bag.
Came in a little bag. It's got 100 decades on. Plush. And it was. Oh, it says $7.79 on this label. So it's obviously a bit cheaper. Yeah. Then we got a mug for Daddy. It's got all the parks on, and that was $4.99.
Yeah, excellent.
And then we've bought Nanny a mug as well with Grandma on, and that was $4.99.
Okay.
And then Orlando found this Spider-Man top that he liked. This was $4.99. Yeah. And then we also got this nice top for Orlando as well, which has got Disney 50 on, and that was $4.99. So total cost for all these things,
$92.69.
yeah, so not bad really.
Bargain.
Okay. Just come to the pool, come to the Temping Bowling pool at Pop Century. Is it cold? Is it cold? Yeah. Is it cold?
We'll get used to it.
No, don't pull her, Jensen.
She pushed me. Oh, it's breaking out there.
The pool's busy.
Yeah.
Let's have some nervous children.
Yeah.
How you feel?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the main pool at Pop Century. And we're just going to walk to the Skyliner, which is between Pop Century and Art of Animation. I'm not going to fall on you.
What's his name, though? Remember?
What's the bear called? Baloo, well done. Yeah?
What makes them on the ground?
Oh, They obviously get bolted to the floor, don't they, somehow?
Daddy, how did they like get them in
Skyliners.
There's a
Been a
Skyliners.
while, isn't it? Right. Yeah. That was a good surprise, that wasn't it? Didn't know that was coming, did you? Tell me about it. So I did that.
Let's get it.
With the scent. Like a tongue. Yeah, pretty good.
It's so noisy.
Yeah.
They're big. Bigger than I thought. They're bigger than I thought.
Please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you. Para su
Bigger than I
seguridad,
thought.
por favor, permanezcan sentados, supervisen a sus alumnos y absténganse de fumar en la cabina. Gracias.
No, we're gonna get this one. Yeah, so we're gonna get
So you'll ride this to the next station, you'll get off this cabin there, go to the other end of the station.
Wait a minute. Thank you.
6.
Quick.
Yeah, it's about 5 minutes to the next station. Board out there.
Really having a video.
Where do you want to sit? Forward or back?
That was good. Do you want to go backwards?
I said, which way do you want to sit?
Well, I see the reflection. Well, look. Well, look at that.
Yeah, where you go?
We're gonna go fast.
Hold tight.
Ready?
Hold tight.
And
Whoa. Go. That's great. We love that. That's good. We got a clear one. That's a good picture.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner and Disney's Pop Century Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Cool.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort
think?
with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International
where are we
Gateway.
going first?
Getting off at Riviera. Not that far.
We are now gliding over our
Car-
Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Here we go, I'm lying here, look. You climb here. Stay low over the water in case you fall. And then you start to climb.
Imagine if someone ever did.
Splash. Touchdown.
It would be like the Tower of Terror.
It would be like the Tower of Terror.
Look at the big shadows.
I think it'd be worse than the Tower of Terror.
How high?
Much
Much,
worse.
much worse.
Mom, look the
Wow.
magic.
Bell.
Mom, look
Look over there, look.
you.
There's Bonnet Creek.
Oh, is that?
There's our next hotel.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
on
I
there.
see it. Bonnet Creek.
Looks nice.
Right
Yeah,
there.
looks good, doesn't it?
What's
That's
the
right.
other building?
Get a picture.
There's the little man.
It's all the same place.
The
Two
mermaid.
different ones.
Let's go now.
Get a picture.
Look, there's Riviera.
Yeah, it's not far.
Have we been staying?
No.
Might
Oh,
be
yeah, you
Riviera.
can see it now, can't you? Better.
Oh, that hotel?
That's
Yeah,
it.
those big ones.
That's
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney and Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark
Oh, we have to get
or
off.
transfer at
Oh,
this
yeah.
I
station.
thought it was
We
the
hope
same
you
one.
enjoyed your
I did.
journey, and thank you for flying
No,
the
it's just
Disney
one stop
Skyliner.
then, isn't it?
Well, you can see it, you can walk through it.
Yeah.
Dad, look, you can see through down there.
Yeah.
There's holes.
There's a big gap, isn't
So if it's small, the little could slip right
there? Yeah.
down.
I don't think you'd slip through
Like, what is that? Like a big small.
You rolled up a dollar bill.
Yeah,
Or penny.
yeah,
And then
definitely
you
a
can
penny.
slip down that.
No, a penny! Your backpack like was open, it would fall.
No, my lucky penny.
No,
That was quick.
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children.
Hold tight, hold
And
tight.
walk
We're
your
gonna
dog.
hit that one.
Thank you for flying.
Hey.
Who's going faster?
Put your brakes on.
Daddy, how do I stop in time?
Got brakes?
Or watch behind.
Still see. I didn't see a picture, did you?
No.
What is it? Frozen? Hold tight.
Wow, look how high this one goes.
This is really high, this one.
Goes straight up, doesn't it?
That's where our hotel over there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we stayed last time. There's our
Camera away
hotel.
a bit. It's too close. And it should focus.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney
Oh, look, there's our
Skyliner
hotel.
and Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
That's cool.
We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with
Yeah,
continuing flights to Epcot.
There's the house that we're gonna stay.
Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the
This
Caribbean.
was where we were staying last time, like one of these.
Oh, look how high we are.
It's really high, this is. Look down.
It's really high.
No, don't look down.
Don't look down.
Oh, there's Epcot.
Don't look down, Bonnie.
We are now
Yeah,
sailing over
Epcot.
Disney's Caribbean
Yeah, there's
Beach
Epcot.
Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle
Okay,
of the
great.
Caribbean
Yeah.
islands.
Is that still
We need to do
Caribbean Beach over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all Caribbean Beach.
Yeah.
That's Riviera.
See, that's how close you are to Bonnie Creek.
Yeah.
You could literally walk across.
Is that big building Riviera?
Why are we stopping?
Oh, don't stop. You don't stop.
Oh my god, look how
When you're really high.
This is
Wait, is it
ridiculous. I don't remember it being this high.
Wait, is it
No.
stop?
Yeah.
Well, it's sort of slowing down.
Like swinging.
It's swaying.
Look at me.
And that look.
It's alright, we'll have a soft landing. There's a roof underneath it.
There, look off the gun, pick it up.
Yeah. Pull back.
Hey, help us.
Pull the helicopter.
Oh, we're going into
They're actually higher than
In
this.
just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's
okay, we
Riviera
got it.
Resort,
Why would
a
I have
Disney
this one?
vacation club
Yeah.
that celebrates the relaxing
That's
seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's
We're
Mediterranean
heavier.
coast.
Oh wait.
So
There's a
we're
pool.
getting off at this stop.
Does
Yes.
it mean you want to Epcot?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to Epcot.
It's really close.
Not
isn't it?
today,
So,
dear.
Oh, we're going down now.
Sit
I'm
down, Darcy.
Good, isn't it?
Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort.
Cool.
If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board.
Smell that food.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Ready?
Hold tight.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and
gonna
watch
fall
your
over.
step. Thank you for flying with us.
Woo, careful,
Por favor,
careful.
permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran a bordo.
This is where we filmed the fireworks before, remember? Standing over here.
Now, why did they stop?
Maybe we'll come back.
It's hot.
That's good. See there, that's our hotel. Beige one there. A bit closer. We have to see the Skyliner. You too.
Riviera.
This is comic. Sort of comic you.
That is
She
pictures.
likes it, isn't it?
Yeah. We're going to see if we can see a rocket launch. Nice pool.
It's a lovely pool there.
Yeah,
It's so quiet, isn't it?
very quiet. Birds are crazy.
Crazy birds. Down to the other side of the view.
Yeah. I don't like comfortable chairs.
The slide in the pool.
6:30 till 7:30. Movie tonight is Lilo and Stitch. That's where we're going to go and get some food from in a minute. You got another pool over there. Yeah, with the pool.
Have we ever been in it?
No. You have to stay here to go in there. I said you have to be staying here really because oh, that big splash thing there. It's cool. Let's see if we can see a rocket. I'm looking.
Could be the cloud that goes in.
Thought I saw something there then, just going into that cloud.
Yep.
For a second. There it is, above that cloud.
Where?
Above that wispy cloud. There, little. You see it? There it is.
Is it a white dot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm filming the right thing, it's hard to tell.
It's only that bit. Or is it?
No, that's it. You can see the
Oh yeah, it is.
path.
You can see the cloud.
There it goes. Going up into the cloud.
See it?
Is it in a cloud?
Yeah, there
Yeah,
it is.
she's going above that cloud now.
Where is it?
Yes, it's really hard to see.
Yeah, right up there. You see that, just like the little dot going up into the sky.
Oh. Is it above the cloud?
It's really small. It's really hard to see.
Can't see it.
Yeah, it's very faint.
There's a plane right above it.
Is it?
I don't think I can see it anymore.
At the base of cloud.
Who saw it?
I saw it.
I saw it.
A little bit. Did you see it, boys?
Yeah, that's where it came from.
It's really hard to see.
Oh,
I just spotted something very faint, and then it went into that cloud, and I thought, I'm sure
you
that's
still see
it.
the line, look through.
Yeah. Here we're at Riviera now.
Italian sandwich.
Italian
nice.
sandwich with herb fries. What do you get, guys? We've all got chicken tenders and fries with either apple slices or fruit cups. And I got a kids meal, pasta, fruit cup and fries.
My fries look the same.
Enjoy!
That's a bit like that.
An egg.
Oh my god, that's so much fun. Just roll it along the ground the way you throw it.
Yeah, don't throw it. Might throw it and hit somebody.
You might hit somebody.
Throw it backwards.
Or throw it along the ground.
Just throw it backwards, just.
Right.
Says that you're down in it. I'm standing there for nothing. There's one. Go, there you go.
What are you about children?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
A child, it wouldn't happen. Really hard then ball. That's a good one.
Oh! It's very confident, donut. I'm gonna give you shit.
It's nice and straight. Well done. Yeah, that's a good one.
Mine's toast.
Good. That was a good one, brother. Ooh, 10 cents away. That was good. Oh, that was good. Look at him bobbing down there. He's funny.
Wow, oh, Dodo's just touched it.
Yeah. That's a good thing. Just drags himself.
Yeah.
For God's sake. Just drag your toe doing that. They let me do that. Oh well. It's definitely getting chilly now.
I was going to say, I'm starting to get cool now.
Yeah, so if you actually go right, got the stairs here.
Let's go back to the
From the
pub.
lobby.
Pardon?
Let's go back to the pub.
Okay, thank you.
Here comes the cannonball.
Oh.
Why did Darcy just run with
The objective of the game is not just to
I know.
throw it as hard as
Throw it.
fast as you can. It's curling in, I can't believe it. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, that was good.
There goes speeds down.
Jensen's coming in as well.
Oh, he's back.
It's gone. It's gone.
It's all the way up there.
Yeah, that's funny. They are funny. Yeah.
It's not bad. It's going a bit further.
I'd love to go and sit in that pool there. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
Really inviting, doesn't it?
Well then.
Dad, did you see? I can beat the ball. Did you see me beat the ball?
Yeah, very good.
Pick you and Jordan now. Okay. Play this game.
Welcome aboard this Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation
Yeah,
Resort.
Art of Animation, not pop.
That's the moon now.
Yeah, last day. I don't know where it's
No, it's right there. That's like faded.
It's gone over there again.
Oh, yeah.
Put it in close.
Why is the moon looking like Jonas?
Oh, look at Epcot now.
Oh, look at Epcot.
Starting to glow up.
Whoa.
Nice.
I don't have my phone.
You know, see that?
I think it's off. So, just can you send that to me? Because my phone's in my bag. Hold on. Then probably next Dad, can I have a coffee bar?
I think you're running off there.
Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort. A larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century.
Cheers.
No, I'm not in it.
Took up steady. Oh. There's the Little Mermaid room stuff.
Go.
Your favourite?
Please go. I'm standing up. Dad, look.
We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and
No, thank
enjoy
you.
the most magical flight on Earth.
Oh, yeah. Cabin number 333. Little number on
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at the only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort.
Get it?
Passengers can disembark here
Hey, hi,
for
Pop.
Disney's Pop Century Resort and for Disney's Art
Just
Resort.
there.
Thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Bon voyage!
We've come to Art of Animation to get a treat. What? What is it? What's that?
Snake.
A snake? You serious? It's not. It's not a snake.
Dad, check that leaf.
It's a leaf. I thought it looked a bit of a small snake.
Darcy, snake.
It's not, Darcy, it's a leaf.
A snake?
Dodo. Darcy. Come and get your cup. Look. Come on, because if you want a treat, we need to go.
So we're going tomorrow?
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow, going to Magic Kingdom.
But I want to go on the tunnel. Who's promised me we would? You said we would.
We've still got 3 weeks.
Oh, look.
That's cute. They put lights in their room. Yeah. Daddy.
It's just a meant to say that.
Yeah.
Hey, what's
I always think you can't go through. You're going to our sweetheart.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's in there?
Don't know. Animation Hall.
Yeah, I was gonna go this way.
Come on, dear. What you got then? Mickey Rice Krispie treat. So he's got a cookie. Nice. Darcy's got a Mickey ice cream, but
Daddy's got the bill.
I got an apple Danish. I don't see it. She's in there.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe,
And comment.